And we turn now to your 17 Court Watch. A DUI crash in southwest Bakersfield last year took the lives of a Bakersfield couple. The accused drunk driver is now going to trial on murder charges and other DUI-related offenses. 17's Connor Dorr was in court for today's preliminary hearing and has new details about the crash in this report.
Annabelle Correa's preliminary hearing revealed new investigative details, including surveillance footage of the actual crash that took the lives of Max and Desiree Mooney. 30-year-old Max and Desiree Mooney went out for a drink on March 16th. They called a Lyft to go home, but they never made it. They were killed at the hands of a suspected drunk driver. 21-year-old Annabelle Correa is charged with 10 counts, including 2 second-degree murder charges. She admitted to officers at the scene she drank 2 Twisted Teas and a Blue Buzzball, both popular alcoholic drinks. In the preliminary hearing on Wednesday, it was revealed Correa's blood tested for an alcohol content of 0.093 over the legal limit and tested positive for THC, a component found in marijuana, and her speed when she allegedly ran through a red light that night
to approximately 82 miles an hour. Speed impact came out to approximately 73 miles per hour.
And data from Correa's car black box showed no steering wheel movement at the time of the crash. In the car with the Mooneys was their friend Taylor Wells and the Lyft driver, who both had severe injuries. Wells's entire right side of her body had broken bones, she lost 2 teeth, and had to learn to walk again. And the driver's worst injury was a severe neck fracture near the base of her skull with bleeding in her brain. Correa's attorney Paul Brar argued that since Correa had no previous DUIs, she should be charged with vehicular manslaughter, not murder. However, Correa made damning statements to officers that night.
She said she would not drive drunk because she knows it is dangerous.
She even criticized her own actions and said she lost a family member due to a drunk driver in 2022.
That her cousin was killed by a drunk driver a couple years prior, and that someone always dies when someone drives.
That kind of statement can help prove reckless disregard for human life, a key element of second-degree murder. Correa was in tears as Judge John Brownlee gave his ruling to send her to trial on all counts, including murder.
On counts 1 through 10, as charged, to all counts and enhancements.
Correa is due back in court March 9th. Outside Kern County Courthouse, Connor Dorr, 17 News.